Dogecoin cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Dogecoin cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Doge to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. Dogecoin current market status. The cost of Dogecoin is 5 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $188,806,910 at the hour of composing. Besides, Dogecoin has a circling supply of 136,460,746,383 Doge at present. Dogecoin exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, FTX, OKX, and Lbank. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a shared and open-source digital currency. Not at all like Bitcoin. Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This gives less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to handle a block, while in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla President Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his interminable help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. The above graph of Dogecoin spread out the falling wedge design. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which associates the lows unite downwards. The wedge design overall shows a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. From the above outline, we can decipher that the energy of the downtrend is dialing back. Right now, Dogecoin is in the scope of 5 cents. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the obstruction levels of 6 cents and 8 cents. Dogecoin backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. The outlines show that Dogecoin has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at 57 cents. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Dogecoin could dive to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Dogecoin value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Dogecoin is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Doge lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Dogecoin is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, Dogecoin cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. Presently, Doge has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the interim, the general strength list of the Doge is 44.88. This implies that Dogecoin is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Doge might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Dogecoin value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Dogecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. Right now, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 14.69998 and consequently, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the general instability record of Dogecoin. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Doge lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Dogecoin is at 44.88 in this manner, affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of Doge with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Doge would increment or abatement individually. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Dogecoin could presumably accomplish $1 by 2023. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Dogecoin could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could energize to hit $3 by 2024. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would mobilize to hit $5. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Doge would revitalize to hit $7. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Doge would energize to hit $9. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Dogecoin holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Doge would hit $11 in 2028. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, it would observe significant spikes. Doge could hit $13 by 2029. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Doge for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Dogecoin could hit $15 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Dogecoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Doge. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Dogecoin in 2022 is 57 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Dogecoin biological system, the presentation of Doge would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 50 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Doge is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin network was a fork of the Litecoin. 2. Where might you at any point buy Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, FTX, OKX, and LBank. 3. Will Dogecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Dogecoin stage, Dogecoin has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? On May 8, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its new all-time high of 73 cents. 5. Is Dogecoin a wise interest in 2022? Dogecoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Dogecoin in the beyond couple of months, Doge is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Dogecoin reach 50 cents? Dogecoin is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the long run, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Dogecoin will hit 50 cents soon.